an ellipse is. And this is not the general equation, okay?
Wait, what? That means there's another equation?
And the general equation is like this: x squared plus bx by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0.
I don't think you want that.
Okay? Which means that you have numbers at the A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D, and E belong to the real numbers, meaning they are coefficients. Okay? But you're going to see that later. In general, know what you tried to get to is this. And tell me if it looks familiar. Ah, getting there.
You focus.
It looks very similar to the circle, doesn't it? It's got some of the elements of the parabola, this part, right? But since it's got a square here also, it doesn't equal y, just like the parabola. The parabola equals y. This one equals 1. And the difference with the circle is that this one equals 1, and each of these is divided by a letter, right? By a number. What does this represent? I'm going to do it here. And how do you use it? Okay. Y, X. Okay. Now, this, your H comma K, is still going to be the center. Meaning, the center of the parabola is where it's going to begin. It's just like your reference point for starting, okay? If you don't have H and K, it means it is a 0, okay? So your beginning will be at the origin, okay? Which I think is going to be the case in all of these. And I'm going to give you the whole thing so that next time that we see parabola, you've already seen it. And it's easier to understand this way. Whatever you have under the X, A is what you move in X. Notice that I didn't put A squared, I put A. Why do I move? Whatever's under X, you move in X. Okay? We're going to call it A for now, but it could be Z, it could be H, it could be M, N, doesn't matter. The number that's under here, the square root, is what you move in X. Guess where you're going to move with this one?
Y.
So B, what you move in Y. Okay? So, if this is my H comma K, I'm going to start it here. Let's say that this is H and this is K. So I'm going to be here. This is where I begin, right? That's my H comma K. And then it tells me to move A in X. So I'm going to move, let's say that all of this is A, and I move it to both sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. So I'm going to have a point here and a point here. Do you agree? A distance. And I'm going to move B up. So I get a point here and B down. And then I'm just going to connect the dots. For a beautiful looking ellipse. Okay. When A is larger than B, you have a horizontal ellipse. When B is larger than A, you have a vertical ellipse. Make sense? Easy, right? Over here is even easier because your center is all, for this lesson, is always going to be 0, 0. So, what are they going to give you? May I erase this?
We're just...
Wait,
because you're gonna use it from here until you graduate from high school. Okay. So what are they gonna give you here? Example 71.2, really simple. (71.2) 5x squared plus 2y squared equals 15. What do you do? This has to equal 1, correct? So I have to divide this by 15. They couldn't do this easy, could they? Look. So I have to divide this by 15, this by 15, and this by 15. Now this one's easy because it gives you 3, right? Plus y squared over 7.5 equals 1. Good. What is my center or my starting point? 0, comma 0. My A?
3.
Square root of 3. Ah. My B?
Square
Root of 7.5. And that's what I'm going to graph. I don't know what the square root of 7.5. Is this going to be vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical because it's going to move more in the y, right? So I'm going to start here, and it's going to you have to do this exactly, but this is my center, and I'm going to move square root of 3 here. This is square root of 3, and this is minus square root of 3, right? This is going to be square root of 7.5, and this is going to be minus square root of 7.5. And these are my dots, and you're going to do the ellipse, as ellipsy as possible. Please don't do this. That does not look like an ellipse, not even close. That's a diamond, okay? Diamond, no diamond.